In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google AdSense to your GoDaddy website. If you want to display ads on your site and start setting up monetization, this process is fairly simple once you know where to look inside your GoDaddy account. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. First, sign into your GoDaddy account. Make sure you're using the account that manages the website where you want to add Google AdSense. Once you're logged in, go to your profile area. This is where GoDaddy gives you access to your account options and all the products connected to your profile. From there, click on My Products. This section shows everything you currently have in your GoDaddy account, including your websites, domains, and any other services attached to your plan. Take a moment to find the specific website you want to connect to Google AdSense, especially if you manage more than one site. Once you've located the correct website, click on it. This will open the management area for that site. After that, select Edit Website. This takes you into the Website Builder, where you can make changes to the site's content, design, and settings. When the website editor opens, look for Settings. This is the section where GoDaddy places important configuration options for your site. Inside Settings, find the Google AdSense option. When you open it, you'll see the place where you can paste your Google AdSense code or connect the AdSense details required by the platform. Go ahead and paste the Google AdSense information into that field carefully. It's always a good idea to double-check what you paste to make sure there are no missing characters or extra spaces, because even a small error can prevent the connection from working properly. If you do not see the Google AdSense option in your settings section, that usually means the feature is not available on your current GoDaddy plan. If that happens, you'll need to upgrade your plan before you can connect AdSense through the built-in settings. This is normal, and it simply means your current package does not include that functionality yet. After you've pasted the AdSense information, make sure to save your changes. Then, give the system a little time to update. In some cases, it may take a while before ads begin appearing or before the connection is fully recognized. That's how to connect Google AdSense to a GoDaddy website. If you follow these steps carefully, you should be able to complete the setup smoothly.